Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you do hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any videos from me. So today's video is a little bit different. I don't think I've done any of these videos before, but it's new, and I just thought I would share with you my everyday get ready routine in the morning. When I'm in a hurry, I just don't have time to cake my face up. I just want something simple and quick and easy, and I'm out of the house. So this is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna share with you how I get ready in the morning. So the first thing I do is I prime my face using the Sasha face primer. It's this one here. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, like so, probably like that much, and I'm just gonna focus on the area where I normally get oily, just around here. Because the last thing you want is to have your face shiny during the day like a Vaseline. You don't want that. So make sure you prime your face. It's quite, I think it's very important step to do. Oops, like so. The next thing I'm gonna do is take my concealer, just a little bit, not so much, and the one I'm using is the Alegel Pro Concealer in, what color is this? Beautiful bronze. It's, I don't know if you guys can see this one here. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, like so, and the other eye. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend that out. Like that. The next step I do is I go ahead and set my under eyes, and the powder I'm using is the banana powder. It's this one here. Just gonna take a little bit of that using my beauty blender. Even like that much is more than enough. Just go ahead. Like so. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyelashes, and the one I'm using today is the Maybelline Great Lash. It's this one here, mascara. And I do the same for my bottom lashes as well. So like that. Next, I'm gonna take my powder brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dust off the powder we put underneath here to set the concealer. Just gonna go on and do that. Cool. And next, we're gonna take the Studio Fix powder by MAC, and my shade is NW50. So the last thing I'm gonna do is, of course, apply something on my lips, and today I'm using the Maybelline Baby Lips. The color is Berry Bomb, and I'm just gonna apply that. Hold on, I'll show you how it looks like. It's this one here. I'm just gonna apply that all over my lips. Feels so moisturizing. It's nice. So that's it, guys. This is the finished look. As you can see, that was so quick and simple to do. You don't need to spend hours and hours in the morning to get ready when you are in a hurry. I don't have time for that. If you do, more power to you, but you know, not everybody have time for a full face makeup in the morning. Nope, I know I definitely don't. So I'll just gonna zoom it so you can see how a little bit closer, you know. It's all right, you know. You still look like a human, you know. You've got your, of course, your eyelash popping, eyes not too sleepy, lips nice and moisturized, and of course we are looking nice. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Hold on, I'm too much on your face. Let me go back to where I was before. Here, now it's better. Yeah, so that was it, guys. So quick and simple. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Let's just end this video right here, right now. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Oh, and also, if you like this quick and simple makeup look, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Why not? All right, thank you so much. I will see you on my next video. Bye.